Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the iconic Honda HPX concept car, a mid-engine marvel from 1984 that paved the way for the legendary NSX. The Honda HPX, which stands for Honda Pininfarina Experimental, made its debut at the 1984 Turin Auto Show. It showcased Honda's ambition to create a mid-engine sports car with advanced technology. The HPX features a distinctive wedge shape, deep body creases, and a removable single-piece perspex canopy inspired by jet fighters. The transparent spoiler also doubles as a driver-controlled air brake. With ground-effect aerodynamics and lightweight materials like honeycomb panels, carbon fiber, and Kevlar, the HPX was ahead of its time. Inside, the futuristic two-seater cabin boasts 2 screens, an analog cluster and a larger center console display. These integrate Honda's electronic drive support system, a precursor to modern navigation and driver assistance systems. The screen could display the vehicle's position on a map and use sonar to detect roadblocks, aiding in parking. Although a static prototype, the HPX was envisioned with a mid-mounted 2.0-liter V6 powertrain from Honda's Formula 2 program, producing over 310 horsepower. Now, 40 years later, the restored Honda HPX will shine at the 73rd Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance on August 18, marking the first Japanese vehicle entry at the event in over 50 years. This iconic concept car not only showcases Honda's innovative spirit but also celebrates the legacy of automotive design and technology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting car reviews. See you in the next video.